Take your gaming to the next level with the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse. Equipped with a PixArt 3395 sensor, Kala GM8.0 switches, and a lightweight 60G build, this mouse delivers top performance and comfort. And with its ergonomic egg-shaped design and Heowen side switches, you can game for hours on end without any hand fatigue. Plus, with its wireless connectivity and paracord charging cable, you can take your gaming on the go. Upgrade to the Fantech Aria XD7 now and dominate the competition. Discover the ultimate gaming mouse that combines performance, comfort, and affordability. The Fantech Aria XD7. The Aria XD7 delivers lightning-fast response and precise tracking. And with its ergonomic egg-shaped design and rounded PTFE skates, you'll enjoy long gaming sessions in comfort. Plus, with its stable wireless connectivity and paracord charging cable, you can game on the go with ease. Unleash your full gaming potential with the Fantech Aria XD7, the ultimate gaming mouse that combines performance, comfort, and affordability. The PixArt 3395 gaming sensor is a top-of-the-line sensor that delivers lightning-fast response and precise tracking for an unparalleled gaming experience. With its maximum resolution of 26,000 CPI counts per inch, the PixArt 3395 capable of detecting even the slightest movements with incredible accuracy. This makes it perfect for fast-paced games where every split second counts, as well as for the games that require precise aiming and control. But the PixArt 3395 isn't just about raw performance. It also has a number of advanced features that help it deliver a smooth and stable experience. For example, it has a high polluting rate of 1000 Hz, which means it sends data to the computer 1000 times per second, ensuring that there is minimum lag or delay between your movements and in-game actions. The PixArt 3395 also has advanced acceleration and angle snapping algorithms that help it filter out any unwanted movement, resulting in a smooth and precise tracking experience. Kala GM8 switches. These switches are some of the best in the business when it comes to durability and performance. They are rated for a staggering 80 million clicks, which means they can withstand even the most intense gaming sessions without any issues. But durability isn't the only thing that makes the Kala GM8 switches great. They also have a smooth and responsive feel that adds to the overall gaming experience. The switches have a linear actuation, which means that they have consistent force required to press them down, resulting in a smooth and consistent feel. This is especially important for games that require rapid button presses, as it ensures that you can execute actions with ease. The Kala GM8 switches also have low actuation force of just 45 Gs, which makes them easy to press down and helps reduce hand fatigue. Overall, the Kala GM8 switches are a key component of the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse and help it deliver top-level performance and durability. And now it's time for a little rhyme. The Fantech Aria XD7's the ultimate mouse. It's ergonomic and lightweight, no need to grouse. With its PixArt sensor and Kala GM8 switches, you'll dominate the competition, no snitches. So please like the video, don't be a stick in the mud. We'd really appreciate it even if you're a thud. Leave a comment about what you think on the rhyme, and also what you think about the Fantech XD7 mouse. Now, let's get back on topic. Ergonomic egg-shaped design. The Fantech Aria XD7 mouse has an ergonomic egg-shaped design that helps it fit comfortably in the hand and provides support for long gaming sessions. The design is based on the principle of ergonomics, which is the study of how humans interact with their environment and how to design products that are comfortable and efficient to use. In the case of the Aria XD7, the egg-shaped design helps it conform to the natural shape of the hand, which reduces hand fatigue and makes it comfortable to use for long periods of time. The design also has a concave shape on the left side, which helps it fit the thumb and allows for a more secure grip. Lightweight 60G build. One of the standout features of the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse is its lightweight 60G build. This is significantly lighter than any other gaming mouse on the market, and it makes a big difference in terms of comfort and ease of use. A lighter mouse is easier to move around, which means that you can make quick and precise movements with ease. This is especially important for fast-paced games where every split second counts. The lightweight build also helps reduce hand fatigue, which is a common issue with heavier mice that can be uncomfortable to use for long periods of time. Overall, the lightweight 60G build of the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse is a key feature that helps it deliver a comfortable and efficient gaming experience. Hoano side switches and TTC gold encoder. The Fantech Aria XD7 mouse comes equipped with Hoano side switches and a TTC gold encoder, both of which add additional functionality and precision to the mouse. The Hoano side switches are located on the left side of the mouse and offer additional buttons that can be programmed to perform different functions in game. This can be useful for games that require a lot of button inputs, as it gives you more options for executing actions. The TTC gold encoder is located in the scroll wheel and is responsible for providing defined tactical steps as you scroll up and down. This can be helpful for games that require precision scrollings, such as when zooming in and out of a map. Together, the Hoano side switches and TTC gold encoder add an extra layer of functionality and precision to the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse. Rounded PTFE skates and stable wireless connectability. The Fantech Aria XD7 mouse is equipped with rounded PTFE skates and stable wireless connectability, which help to deliver a smooth and reliable gaming experience. The rounded PTFE skates are located on the bottom of the mouse and help it glide smoothly across different surfaces. This is especially important for fast-paced games where quick and precise movements are key. The stable wireless connectivity ensures that the mouse stays connected to the computer without any lag or interference. This can be especially useful for gaming on the go, as it allows you to use the mouse without being tethered to a computer by a wire. Together, the rounded PTFE skates and stable wireless connectability help the Fantech Aria XD7 mouse deliver a smooth and reliable gaming experience. Paracord charging cable and no RGB lighting. The Fantech Aria XD7 mouse comes with a paracord charging cable and has no RGB lighting, both of which help it maintain a focus on performance and affordability. The paracord charging cable is a braided cable that is durable and flexible, making it easy to use and store. It also allows for data transfer, so you can use it to update the firmware or customize the mouse settings. The lack of RGB lighting helps keep the focus on performance rather than flashy aesthetics, and it also helps keep the price of the mouse down. Get the ultimate gaming mouse for just $55 on the official Fantech website. The Aria XD7 delivers top performance and features at an affordable price. Click the link in the description to check it out now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. Your support means the world to us.